how to VLOOKUP in Smartsheet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the feature of VLOOKUP in Smartsheet. So let's get started. First of all, open any of the new sheet in which you wish to type down any of the furniture or any of the item that you are making the sheet for. You can see that I haven't written any formula right now. So what you're going to do is just click on a cell and then you're going to type down a formula in order to use VLOOKUP. So first of all, you're going to type down the equal symbol. So just type down equal and then you have to type down VLOOKUP. So here you can see the suggestion and just click enter, and after that you gotta put a circle bracket and write down the column name that you have over here. So you can see that over here I have furniture. If you have any other item, you can just type down over here, then put an @ symbol and write row, and after that you gotta click comma, and here just type down any curly brace, or then you gotta click on reference another sheets. So here you gotta add a reference of the sheet which contains all of your price list. In my case it is furniture prices. So what you gotta do is you gotta inherit the furniture prices. So basically the one of the sheet becomes the parent and the other sheet is the child. So you're going to inherit the attributes of the parent to the child. Here there are two columns, one is furniture and the other is prices. So I wish to inherit both of these columns to my new sheet. So what I'm going to do is going to click on both of these. I'm going to click on furniture and click on control as well and click on prices. And after that you can even change the reference name over here or let it be, and then click on insert reference. So once you click on insert reference, you'll be able to see that over here a reference has been added, that is furniture prices range 1. And after that what you're going to do is click on comma, and then you're going to write down 2 because you have selected 2 rows, and after that you're going to type down 0. So it is basically an index, but it just needs to be 0. That means you're not using any. And after that just press enter, and once you press enter you'll be able to see that there is a small triangle thingy over here. So now you can just type down the specific item name over here. For example, I'm going to write down farm dining table, and when I'm going to press enter, the price will be inherit from the parent automatically. You can even copy, for example, I'm going to copy this and paste it over here, and the prices will be inherited automatically. So you can see that I'm not doing anything else. I'm just typing down the item name and it automatically takes the price. So let's just copy another one, and here you can just paste it, and that's it. The prices has been loaded. So that was how you can use the VLOOKUP feature in Smartsheet. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.